Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for August 2022. In this class, we will be creating 6 beautiful autumn-themed handmade cards using 2 beautiful Stampin' Up! Bundles. They are the Hello Harvest bundle and the Fond of Autumn bundle. Make sure to also get the coordinating dies with these bundles. Both have beautiful images. You get to decide which bundle to use, or you can use both. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class and the cards are gorgeous. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this class. The cards on the left have been made with the Hello Harvest bundle, while the cards on the right have been made with the Fond of Autumn bundle. As you can see, even though the layouts for the cards are the same, the different images in each stamp set gives each set of cards a unique look. Honestly, I can't pick a favorite stamp set from these two. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be fun. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15. You can get more information on my blog. Here is the last card. This class will run from Monday, August 29th through Saturday, September 3rd. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, August 13th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, 6 6x6 sheets of Rustic Harvest Designer Series paper, a roll of gold trim, and a new pack of Champagne Rhinestone Basic Jewels. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the gold trim and the champagne rhinestones. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in the class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You can choose between the Hello Harvest bundle or the Fond of Autumn bundle. And don't forget to get it as a bundle so you can get those coordinating dies. You will also need the Mossy Meadow Classic Ink Pad and the Memento Tuxedo Black Ink Pad, and an embossing folder. And I have chosen to use the Timber 3D embossing folder. You can choose a different one if you don't have that. And then you'll need a variety of Stampin' Blend markers. I am using the Crumb Cake, Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Daffodil Delight, and Old Olive. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of August 29th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. Here are the tools you will need. You will want a stamparatus, which is here in the background. This is a stamp positioning tool, and it's going to be really useful with some of the techniques we'll be doing in this class. I also recommend using a window sheet. This is just a scrap piece of window sheet. You can find one that's about 2 or 3 inches by 3 or 4 inches, and you'll want to have that on hand too, along with your stamparatus. And then some masking paper. We'll be doing another technique with that. Then you'll also want to have your tools. So take a pick, your bone folder, ribbon, scissors, as well as paper snips. You will also need to have a stamp and cut and emboss machine. You can use either the large or mini size. Then you will also want your favorite adhesives, such as dimensionals, Stamp and Seal, glue dots, and liquid glue. Make sure to have the correct clear blocks for your stamp sets, as well as a cleaner, and then your paper trimmer. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The links are below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.